Solution 3. If you still can't explode a block in AutoCAD, use AutoCAD boundary command. First, draw a rectangle surrounding your block. Second, type boundary on command line and press enter. Make sure polyline is selected and press OK. Finally, click inside your rectangle. Give it a moment to recreate your block. Please, save your drawing before using this method, as the program might crash depending on your computer specs. As you can see, your AutoCAD block was recreated. Simply remove rectangle and unexplodable block.